Shedding Snakeskin, Self-Reinvention, a guided visual meditation by your life coach, Roy Grant. As you come into your body, what are you ready to let go of? You have traveled far, and something makes you weary. Just notice. You don't even have to be able to name it. Perhaps it is a sensation, a weight, an energy. Let your body tell you. Let your body speak. Recognize in this moment that your body is made of trillions of cells. Stars constantly being born, constantly dying out simultaneously. And every 7 years, the cells of your body are completely replaced. So who are you really? What are you really? You can be anything and anyone you want to be. You can reinvent yourself in any moment. Your body is 90% water. Feel that truth now in your body. Feel your own fluidity. You are serpentine. And when the time comes, when there is a need, the serpent sheds its skin. It is time to let go now. It is time to let grow. It is time to let go of old constraints, the old story, and sense the fresh, glistening, blood-laden flesh beneath the old skin that wants to feel the air and be touched by the light of the sun. Feel the part of you that is coming alive. Each of your fresh, buoyant cells are permeable, fluid, and each of your cells is made up of atoms, made up of energy. And so who are you really? Let the energy tell you the answer as you swell beyond the realm of form. What are you really? There is nothing that holds you in the womb of time-space other than the love of the universe. And even still, you know no boundaries. You are that love, and love is all around you. Feel that love bubbling up from inside you, pouring over you, cupping you, and at the same time setting you free. Yes, you are love. You are loving, and you are loved. Relax supple into this love that cups you, that spills forth from you and trickles down your temples, chest, nipples, belly, legs and toes, and wells up weeping from your pores. Feel the light of your divine existence pouring outward through the spaces between your cells. Feel the light of this love that you are and that made you radiating through the spaces between your scales, making apparent the translucent snakeskin you are beyond ready to shed. In truth, it never existed. The more fluidity with which the snake moves through the wet garden of life, the easier its skin sloughs from its body. Make some gentle snake-like movements in your body now. Feel your own fluidity and welcome all possibilities for your new life. Feel the new you. Smell the air with your tongue. You are the supreme being. It is time to let nature do its work. And it is time to paint the world as you wish to see it, accessing all colors: blush, black, violet, blood, indigo, canary, fuchsia, orange, milk, chestnut, emerald, sapphire, diamond, gold. Whatever you are ready to let go of, feel that skin sloughing from you now, melted off by the powers of love within you, and carried off by the wind. You are surrounded by love, and you are love at the same time, serpentine and succulent, buoyant, beautiful, and free. Now go and be free. Go and create planets with the powers of your mind and start the universe anew. Go and slither into the sacred new gardens, the sacred new parallel realities, and start your life anew.